Hello everyone! I am like so excited about this video because I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Before I start, I would just want to say that I'm a registered dental assistant and I'm like all about teeth or whatever. And I have been wanting to try an electric toothbrush. I was just too like cheap to get something super expensive, and since I've seen the Burst toothbrush everywhere on social media, I was like, I really need to try this toothbrush. And not only that, but they have a rose gold and I'm all about pink, and when I saw it I'm like, I have to. So I just recently applied to be a Burst ambassador, and so they sent me a toothbrush. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I'm like so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see this. So I ordered this oh my god, I want to say February 2nd I received, which it was a Monday. I received it on Friday, and this is what the package came in. So I haven't opened it or anything. I was supposed to like tear this up with a knife or whatever. Let me do that real quick. Alrighty, so here is the box. Oh my god, I cannot wait to open this because this is like, I feel like a little kid right now. I feel like I'm just got a brand new toy, and this is going to be awesome. Now, I do not know how to open this. Oh god, maybe this way. Yes, this way. That is really cute. This packaging is like the rose gold. It looks kind of silver, but it's actually rose gold. All these like colors on here. And then the color on the little smile is rose gold. So hot right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. This is beautiful. So this is the rose gold Burst brush. My kids are over here putting their hands on it too. So this is a little pouch. I don't know what this is for, honestly. Let's open it. Can you open that one, Mama?
Yeah.
Don't open this. This is an extra head. This isn't. Well, actually, no. This is what goes on here. Everything is like rose gold. How cute is this? Here's the toothbrush. I'm gonna read the instructions and everything right now, and I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm like really excited. I guess this is like a traveling case. So cute. This is where it's supposed to stand. Everything is rose gold. How adorable is it? It's the charger. Even this is pink. Oh my gosh, I'm like so loving this. And then what connects to the wall. Wow, this is incredible. How, oh my gosh. Look at the little smile on the button. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see like how strong it is or whatever. And I'm going to go ahead and try it out and record that so you guys could see my impression of this. But as of right now, I'm really loving it. It's beautiful. It's so freaking beautiful. And I can't believe that this is, you know, an affordable toothbrush. It's crazy. It's so pretty. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the head on. So this is the toothbrush. It's pretty huge. That's the box. It's almost like the size of the box. These are the bristles. You can see what they look like up close. Isn't that crazy how they look? And it is really soft. Like really, really soft. I like can't wait to try this. In here there's like instructions and like a welcoming and stuff. So you guys can see the whole book.
Can you turn it on?
Hello gorgeous, welcome to Burst.
Can you turn it on, Mommy?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on right now. Let's see what it says here. I was just showing you how to brush. You start on one, like say you start the top of the teeth and then you the bottom, and you just work your way around the mouth, and it has a 2-minute timer.
What is this?
That's how it goes in the pouch, I believe.
Oh,
Then just all the parts of the toothbrush.
Mommy.
Brush modes explained: whiten, sensitive, massage, charge. So right here is the button for the whiten, the sensitive, massage, and charge. Now, well, I guess it's showing the charge. Now, what is the massage? Sometimes you gotta give your teeth and gums some TLC. They'll love you for that. Hygienists particularly recommend this mode for any areas of your gums that may be bleeding or inflamed. It'll be kind to leave you smiling sunbeams all day long. Yeah, because basically there's like this little tool that massages your teeth. I have one in my bathroom. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But it promotes blood flow to your gums, and it's supposed to, you know, keep them healthy. So this is cool that this has it, because that way you don't have to buy that tool. Let me get the tool so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the gum massager that I'm talking about. You can see these in many different forms. They kind of look like toothpicks, but this is like a rubber type of thing here. And what you do is you put this in between your teeth and you massage your gums, and it's supposed to promote blood flow and keep them really healthy. So for a toothbrush to have that built in is really cool. That's like one less step that you got to do. So you would throw this out and just have this. This is like an all-in-one. This is fantastic. Like, I can't wait to try it. Now, it's already charged, so let me turn it on so you guys can hear it. Excuse me. My kids are like trying to play with it. Now look at how, let me turn it off. So this is the toothbrush off. I don't know what side to use, honestly. Damn, these things are really shiny. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna turn it on. And you see that moving? That is so freaking cool. Like, all the brushes move. The whole damn thing. That is awesome. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'm gonna record myself doing this. This is crazy. You guys are gonna be watching me basically brush my teeth. But it's my first time trying it, so you know, I want to record the whole experience on video. So I'll be right back. I haven't brushed my teeth at all. It's already like 11. I woke up late today because I was at work yesterday, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'm like excited because people say that this is like the best clean they've ever had. So I'm like really excited to try this. Now, before I do, I have been using this toothbrush right here. It's the Colgate. Who the hell knows, honestly? I don't even freaking know. The point is, I bought this at Costco, and it's supposed to be like really good and stuff. It has like these rubber things in the middle and all this bunch of stuff. It has a tongue cleaner and everything, so that's pretty cool. But I do notice that, like, even this brush I use from Costco, this one, I think this one's a Crest one. It's really good for getting like the molars, the back molars. But the thing is, like, I'll brush for like 2 minutes with those, and I could still feel plaque on my teeth. So it gets really frustrating having to go back and brush them all over again. 12:39. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, this is freaking weird. Oh, I just have to stop because this thing feels like it's going all over my teeth in all the right places and in between my teeth. It's like if it's going deep into my like enamel. That's crazy. Okay, let's do the top. I don't even know how to hold this. Oh my god. Let me do the sensitive button. I believe it's this one. How do I do that? Oh, there we go. So to switch from buttons, you just click the button. See, there's the first one. There's the second one. The third. And I guess that's it. Alright, let's keep going. Oh my god, this is so crazy. And I already messed up because wow. Oh. Okay. Let's stop right there. Oh my god. So this thing does have a tongue cleaner. It's hella cute. It's the Burst logo. Oh my gosh. I have to tell you guys what I think about this. This is crazy. Ew. How did that get there? It's like freaking toothpaste all over me. Okay. Now, if you've ever had your teeth cleaned at the dentist or had like a deep cleaning or anything like that, you might have experienced what is called an ultrasonic scaler. It's basically like a little thing like this that vibrates on your teeth. Sometimes it could be a little uncomfortable. But this is kind of what this feels like. It's not uncomfortable, but it's like crazy, like how fast it's moving in your mouth. I kind of want to switch to sensitive, honestly, because it's really powerful. It's really strong. My teeth feel really smooth. I love that feeling. I hate the feeling when you run your tongue through your gums and it feels like you have some icky sticky stuff on there. I hate that, and this actually does an amazing job in such a short amount of time. Like in 2 minutes you have your teeth brushed really well. These are really soft, and like the way that it feels and like the massage mode and stuff is really relaxing. But if you know what I'm talking about, it does feel like an ultrasonic scaler, kind of like how strong it is. But other than that, this is fantastic. I am so impressed with this brush. I love this brush. I am like not using those brushes again. Hell no. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed testing this with me. This was fantastic. You have to feel it for yourself. This thing is strong. I look like crap, I know, but there's a couple things I wanted to mention about the brush really quickly. So it has a timer. So when say you start at the bottom, right? So you start at the bottom and it starts, you know, brushing your teeth, and then it pauses for like a moment. That means you switch to the next quadrant. So if you started here, you could go up here, and then it'll pause again. And when it pauses again, that means you gotta switch. And then it pauses again, and then you switch. So in total is 30 seconds each quadrant, so a total 2 minutes. So I thought that was pretty cool for the brush to do. And then once the 2 minute time is done, then the brush turns off. But I do have a code that you could save when you buy the Burst brush. I'm going to link that down in the description box below. You don't have to use it. You can if you do. Thank you so much. It does, you know, support me in a way. So thank you if you do use it. You don't have to, but I'll leave it down below if you do. And if you do purchase this brush, let me know how you liked it. I really want to know your feedback. Okay, girl. But thank you for watching this video so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope it was very helpful. You guys have a great day.